Hey, it's Nicole Johnson, and as you can see, I've got some pharmacy boxes to unbox with you. Here we go. All right, let's see. Aloe Glow. I've done videos on this before. It's good for digestion. It gives you a youthful glow on your skin and your hair. I love this stuff. You just take a little bit. A lot of people just take a little bit and just pour it in your liquid, your water, or whatever. And take up. Okay, you got a bag here. And it looks like it's the Delish Instant Coffee and Chicory Blend. Love this stuff. You can make it hot or cold. That's the first box. Now we've got the next box. What I love about these products is, as you can see, my hair is so much more healthy. And my skin is getting there too. Energy-wise, huge improvement. I'm only 43 years old, and there were times, you know, like winter and stuff comes along, and you get sick easily, and you run out of energy because, you know, when you're in your 40s, you get the hormones and stuff that fluctuate, especially when you're a woman. So I find that, like the Aloe Glow, looks like we've got electrolytes, vitamin C's, Sambucus, my #1 favorite. I find that these products make it so that female times are much more balanced and not out of control now that I'm over 40. TMI for you guys, but that's just the way it is. Another Aloe Glow because the house needs it. And let's see. And the last box is spirulina. Let's talk about spirulina really quick. Now, it'll tell you benefits on the website, which I will link for you, but I can tell you if you have asthma or any lung issues, stuff opens you up just enough so that you're feeling all right. If you do have like MS, lupus, any autoimmune, I do want to guide you to check that it is safe with your doctor to take. But for everyone else, you've got asthma, you want to take spirulina. I will link it with this video. We got more Sambucus. This stuff keeps you from being able to be around those sick people without getting a huge chance of getting sick. I can't make claims, but I'm telling you, this stuff is, this is where you want to be. Taking this when you're around holidays and shopping and errands. Electrolyte is great for people that are working outside now that it's spring, construction workers. You should have this in your coolers. It is an alternative to Gatorade. Vitamin B12. If you're vegan, vegetarian, or you lack a lot of variety in your diet, you're going to want to maintain good health with B12. Easy, fun way to do it. Another vitamin C and Hydro Drops. Hydro Drops are really great. You just take it. Good for your hair, skin, nails, everything. Energy. Take it. You do 2 droppers full with a little bit of aloe in your drink. It makes a great way to start your day. While you're making that, go ahead and swallow some spirulina, and you've got a great morning routine, which I can link for you. That is everything in these boxes. I always enjoy doing these. If you have any questions for me about anything you've seen in the video, or you go to my website and you're interested in something, I would love to help you. I appreciate you. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.